Capstone Assignment 2. The surface temperature of Cook Inlet, Alaska has changed a lot over recent years. The last 2 years, the National Wildlife Federation has been working on investigating what could be impacting the sea level rise in Cook Inlet, Alaska. The sea level has increased dramatically over the last 100 years. This is new because before then the sea level never really changed. It is getting warmer each year. The glaciers are melting, and this is a problem for every living thing. The temperature has increased on an average of 1.5 degrees in the last 30 years. This is a lot. Autumn there is a lot warmer than it normally is. All this continuing warming is an issue. The weather is warming up so much that it is, on average, 10 degrees warmer in the fall than it normally was. This large change has happened in just the last 30 years. Since the temperature is increasing, the coastline is at risk because the water is rising. The northern coastline is rising faster than the global coastline, which then backs up the fact that the glaciers are melting a lot more in Cook Inlet, Alaska. As of today, the sea level is between 5 and 8 inches higher than it was in 1900. This is a big change. When looking back to the 2,000 years previous, there is not much of a change in the sea level. The increase started when we started burning fossil fuels. What we are seeing right now is an increase in climate. After a lot of thorough research, it has been proven that the increase has been caused by human activity. Climate change is because of human activity. Therefore, the issue is only going to get worse with time unless the humans do something to help the problem. The sea level started to rise in the 1800s, and this is when we started to burn fossil fuels. The fossil fuels send carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. With the planet getting warmer, more ice is melting, which is causing the sea level to rise, but another reason why this rising is happening is because warmer water takes up more space, which is also increasing the amount of water there is in the sea. Since there has been not as much snow and ice as usual, there have also been a lot more wildfires as a result. This is an issue, something that is hard to control, and they are just happening so much more frequently. Wildlife and people are losing their homes in more than just one way. These are big issues and things we need to change because it is going to only get worse. The solutions are trying to lower the number of wildfires, and when we start to try to prevent them from spreading. They need to work on not polluting as much because this is a big reason on why the temperature is rising. Overall, the solutions for people to work on treating and taking better care of the earth. Cook Inlet, Alaska is just one of the many places this is affecting. The only way for there to be a solution to this problem is for people to recognize it as their fault, and then for them to want to make a difference to help fix the issue. Overall, the cause of this is human-made, and hopefully people will become educated on the topic and things will change to help prevent the sea level from rising even more.